Chapel Hill, Chapel Hill. Could you say something where we are?
We are at the stadium and at the bell tower, taking pictures.
This is where Sheridan's graduation will be tomorrow. ว่าพรุ่งนี้ลูกสาวจะได้รับปริญญาบัตรหน้าสแตนเดียแห่งนี้นะครับยามีเชอร์เดอายาอยู่ตัวเวชนหอนแนวมาปะขอ Kenneth Stadium, Chris Smith Field, Chapel Hill, North Carolina.
How do we want to split it up? One, two. Take some by yourself, just like that too. Yeah, that was like falling. One, two. Okay. Now, hot. Oh, you got to take some too. Photographer assistant. Photographer.
It went 0.5. What happened?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Okay.